More than 44% of Tibetans living in Dharamsala and the surrounding settlements suffer from preventable chronic lifestyle diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease, largely due to a lack of access to affordable, healthy food. On July 6, 2011, Lha Charitable Trust opened its Community Soup Kitchen, the first public soup kitchen in Dharamsala. The soup kitchen helps to alleviate malnutrition in Dharamsala by offering low-cost or free nutritious meals and clean water to the local refugee community on a daily basis. Every day, the soup kitchen volunteers prepare a different delicious vegetarian lunch to feed 40 to 50 Tibetan refugees. All meals are prepared from scratch using the freshest and most nutritious ingredients available, washed and cooked using only clean, uncontaminated water. Today, the talented chefs prepare a meal of noodles with a variety of fresh local vegetables and tofu. Till now, Lha Community Soup Kitchen has benefited over 326 people. Users pay a nominal fee of 15 rupees per meal, and meals are completely free for those who can't afford this amount. In addition to providing food, the Community Soup Kitchen offers nutrition education classes to empower refugees to make healthy choices about their lifestyle and the food they eat. Furthermore, by starting a job training program to assist refugees in obtaining employment in the service or restaurant sector, Lha will simultaneously be working to combat unemployment in the community. In a survey conducted of the users of the kitchen, 87% of users indicated that they come to the soup kitchen out of financial need, and 96% responded that soup kitchen meals have been beneficial for their health.